welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. And if you're new to my channel, I am Karina, and this is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And today's video, it's a project share. I participated in an Easter/Spring pocket letter swap hosted by Liana. It's a deal here in YouTube, and I am going to show you what I put together and what I sent to my swapping partner. Without further ado, let's move on. So I am here to show you the Spring/Easter pocket letter that I am sending to my swapping partner. And again, the swap was hosted by It's a Deal here in YouTube. So let's review what I'm sending. Okay, this is the pocket letter. I decided to stitch one of the scrapbook papers, put a little kind of a chipboard from Spritz. I use this company, and this is a little bow that I bought last year at Five Below, and I love it because it's just golden and shiny. So here is the pocket letter, and here we go. So for this pocket letter, I use the Echopark collection, Easter and Spring mixed, and again I used the baseball cards. And on the first one, as you can see, I am loving my sewing machine, so I'm stitching everything. And I put together this little pocket with some ephemera. On the second one, it says read me. I think you guys can see better. This is where my letter is, so she can read my letter. And another little pocket that says bloom where you are planted, with a bunny. And then on the third one, again, as you can see, I'm stitching everything, butterflies. And these other two pockets is just sequin mixes. As you can see, my stitching is kind of funky, so I decided to stitch a trim and another chipboard from the Spritz company. And this is a Maggie Holmes butterfly. And on my last pockets, again, I stitched this one, put more little chipboard. Spring is in the air, and I stitch these foamy cheeky with a vellum paper. And on the back, the goodies that I'm giving on the back, just some rabbits, the letter. These are cut aparts. These are butterflies, and then I love the paper. I'm gonna show you. I just love the paper. It's like cherry blossom with gold, and giving her these cut aparts, a sticky bunny, some nice trim, and I put these toppers. Let me show you the toppers. So I'm giving her jemmies and these toppers. I bought these die cut toppers from Nifty Crafty Me in Instagram, and I just glue some of the trim and sequins and more little cut parts just to make these pretty toppers, so she can have some toppers. And last one, more chipboard from Spritz. I just love that chipboard. I think it goes along with the theme of the pocket letter, all the colors. And I sew the paper and this ribbon from Hobby Lobby, like straight stitch. And then one of my rings that I ordered from AliExpress came, so finally I was able to use it and put more, trim for her to have. So this is the final version of the pocket letter. I hope she likes it, and I'm going to fold it nicely and insert my pocket letter in this pouch. Here I just use this clip, and there you go, the pocket letter. So I'm also giving her some handmade embellishments. As you can see, this baggy topper, some of the trims, and butterfly die cuts. And as you can see, these are not jammies. These, I use the Nuvo crystal drops, which is like so good. And I had this frame in one of the AliExpress ephemera, mini ephemera, the same as this one, best mom ever. If she's a mom, or she can give that to her mother or any mom that she knows, you know, in a card. And as you can see, I cluster different types of circle with scallop edges and straight stitch here. And I hope I'm not, I just do not want to see that glare. So, and then over here, this is a square that I sewed, and I put a lot of layering in one of the mini risings flowers. And I love these rosette. I use the Tim Holtz C6 dies, and again use the Hobby Lobby specialty paper, one of the ephemeras from AliExpress. So I think it looked pretty cool. And on the back, I put together this card long time, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna give this to her. The bunny, same color scheme from Echopark brand, and I think it turned really cute. Then there's more. So we were required to give like some store-bought things, and I'm giving that in here. And also I didn't package that, so I'm not going to show that, but I'm going to show you what I made, which I'm very proud of. So these mini sacks, I bought these at Hobby Lobby, and I believe I show these in my stories. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I go by KC Westfield 48. I'm gonna leave this here so you can see. And got these at Hobby Lobby. These were my April 1st online purchases. As you all know, I'm in the non-spend challenge, Want versus Needs challenge, hosted by Cat Paper Love. And here you go. I just had so much fun stitching. Look at this. It's just like crazy. I stitched these butterflies. Love it. And again, use my Nuvo drops. And look at the consistency. Isn't this? It's like having jammies. I just love it. And I purchased this in a fair last year, and I'm like, I'm using it more, and it's such a good thing. So if you're new into crafting, and this will save you a lot of money on buying jammies and recent jammies, etc. No, you just buy a bottle that normally costs you like $2.99, at least $3, and you can get out of this. The only thing is that you have to just, when you drop, you got to be very careful and let it dry, sit down for 24 hours so everything is just like, and they don't come off. So I left the golden thread like on the antennas. And I'm just proud of these 3 butterflies that I am giving to her. And these are some cut aparts from the Echopark Spring collection. And I put together this mini and simple embellished paper clip. And the back, I have to cover all that stitching and all the, you know, all the funky things here. And this mini bow. This mini bow was gifted to me, I would say last summer. One of my pen pals, and a little butterfly, golden butterfly, just to stand out. So that's it. So that's what I'm sending for this swap. And I also wanted to show how I packaged one of the store-bought goodies that I'm giving away. So this is it. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button. Share this video with any of your friends and family. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.